If you want to know a guy who's a player, take his phone, go to his contacts. If the numbers of girls are saved as Rachel, Jessica, Melinda, Melissa, names like that, that's not a player. But a player, the way he saved the numbers in his phone is like Jessica, 22, New York, blue eyes. Jessica, 15 years old. Nah, I'm trying. But he got like 5 Jessica. We got another Jessica, 25, lawyer, black. Jessica, 37, MILF, 2 kids, big ass. And you go. Melissa, 21, I did say high school? But college, blonde. Oh, we got another Melissa, 27, athlete, black. Yeah, we got another, bro. Like, if you see somebody saving their numbers like that, instead of Melissa, it's Melissa this. Melissa, we met at the Ocean Gate, and who's black, who's an athlete, who's a lawyer, who's this? That's a player. That's a player. I just give you guys game. So, you guys may wonder, how do I save my names? Me, the way I save my names, I save them as, I don't save girls' names. Why? Because I talk to girls, and if I see some girls interested, I keep their numbers, and I try to remember the last name, the last numbers. And then, I have a whole lot of girls, if they're not interested, I delete their numbers. So let's say, for example, if a girl takes my phone and see the people who I be calling, she gonna see numbers with no names, and I don't think she's gonna try to call any of them. She's gonna be like, yeah, it's a normal number. But in reality, it's a girl who I be talking to, you know what I'm saying, type shit. Plus, I don't message with girls because messaging something which gets you caught, bro. Calls, nobody can catch you. But if a girl goes to your messages, she can see, oh, you be texting this bitch, this and that. You think you're smart? Guess what? You're not bigger than a project, little man. Yeah, I'm just teaching you guys lessons, man. I'm just putting your niggas on, bro.